Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're going to take a look at gathering with a ruffling foot. Let's take a look at the gathering foot. The thing that I love about this is on the back, it kind of has a spring to it. It's this little piece that right here that has a little bit of a bounce to it. It's a little bit tricky to put on your machine, but it's so worth it to see the end results. I've opened up my machine so you can take a look at how the ruffling foot goes on. First of all, I'm going to lift my foot and drop my regular foot off. Now I'm going to place the ruffling foot on, but this spring sometimes will catch on your feed dogs. So I try and go in at about where it's going to end up and push down just a little bit to get it in the right place. I put it on there, lower my foot, and we're all attached. We're going to close up our machine and we are set at a 4-thread overlock, and all we need to do now is change that differential from a neutral back up to a 2. I'm going to start with the fabric that's going to be ruffled, and I'm going to place it under my needle with the right side up. I'm going to take about 3 or 4 stitches in this material, and then I'll add the top layer. This one is going to slide through this guide, and it's going to be face down so that right sides of fabric are together. And then you just are going to keep your fabrics lined up as you go through. When it comes out, you can see that our bottom fabric is all gathered and our top one remains flat. And just like that, you have a ruffle added to a flat piece. I can't wait to see all the projects you come up with to use this stitch.